If you're on Dynamics GP and you're looking for an honest feature-by-feature analysis between GP and Dynamics 365 Business Central, this is the video for you. Today, I'll be walking you through what GP does and what Business Central can do that GP can't do. I'm not here to say that GP is a bad system, but I'm going to talk you through why Business Central is a better system. Additionally, we'll talk through what the cost of staying on Great Plains looks like. My name's Zach Carhalis. I'm the Director of Business Development here at Bolt Technologies, and I'll be walking you through this today. So I would say that Business Central reporting is light years ahead of what you have within Great Plains. Right out of the box, within Dynamics 365 Business Central, you get 600 plus reports. These can be financial reports. These can be vendor-facing documentation, customer-facing documentation, out-of-the-box Business Central reports, and lastly, Power BI reports. If you're not familiar with Power BI is Microsoft's reporting and analytics tool. It allows you to create reports utilizing data from Business Central, from SQL databases, from Excel spreadsheets, really anywhere, and create these reports. On top of that, you can actually embed these reports directly into Business Central. Not only can you build these custom reports, but Microsoft has actually started to roll out-of-the-box reporting capabilities with Power BI and Business Central. They've actually introduced several different dashboards, some for finance, sales, purchasing, service, manufacturing. These dashboards are all included within Business Central as long as you have a Power BI license. They're extremely powerful and something that we're seeing our customers starting to utilize on a daily basis. As many of you already know, Dynamics 365 Business Central, Dynamics Great Plains are both Microsoft products. One of the main differences though with GP and Business Central is that Dynamics 365 Business Central has built-in integrations to the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Not only is this a massive differentiator when it comes to competitors like NetSuite or Oracle, but it's something that introduces all sorts of automation and enhanced capabilities. You have built-in integration to Excel, to Teams, to Outlook. You can export data from Business Central into Excel spreadsheets, manipulate, change the data, and publish it back seamlessly. You can send emails directly from the system. And lastly, and more importantly, you have the Copilot capabilities. I'm sure you're familiar with Copilot. If you're not, it's Microsoft's AI tool. It's something that is now embedded directly within Business Central on every screen. You have the ability to ask questions. It can help do automated bank reconciliations. It can help create reports. The capabilities are endless. So long story short, the Microsoft 365 ecosystem integrated into Dynamics 365 Business Central is extremely powerful and something that differentiates Business Central from all of the other ERPs out there. As many people know, Great Plains and Dynamics 365 Business Central are both Microsoft products. What some people don't realize though is the massive change in enhancements and capabilities and integrations you get with Microsoft products when you make the change from GP to Business Central. Right away, out of the box, since Business Central is that modern cloud-based ERP, you have seamless integrations to the full Microsoft ecosystem. That includes Microsoft 365, products like Excel, Teams, Outlook, Power Automate, or Power BI in the Power Platform family. And then additionally, lastly, but not least, you have Copilot. So let's start with Microsoft 365. Right out of the box, you have full integrations into Excel. You can take data, you can export it from Business Central into an Excel spreadsheet, manipulate it, make changes, and seamlessly implement it back into Business Central through a quick import with all of the changes you needed. You have the ability to actually utilize Outlook directly within the system and even send Teams messages. When it comes to the Power Platform, you have easy access to Power BI reports as well as Power Automate. If you're not familiar with the products, Power BI is Microsoft's reporting and analytics tool. It gives you the ability to create reports utilizing data from Business Central, from SQL databases, from Excel spreadsheets, and then actually embed those reports directly into Business Central. Additionally, on top of that, you actually have the ability to utilize out-of-the-box Business Central Power BI reports. Power Automate is something that's also embedded directly into the product. Power Automate can be used to automate processes or build out integrations. The capabilities there are endless. Lastly, we have Copilot. I'm sure you're familiar with Copilot. It's Microsoft's AI tool. It's something that's embedded directly into all of these products, including Business Central. It's something you'll see on every screen. You have the ability to ask questions, to have it automate bank reconciliations, to have it create reports on your behalf. It's extremely powerful, and the capabilities are just getting introduced. Every update, there's new features that come out, and it's something that we're extremely excited about here at Volt. The longer you stay on Great Plains, the more expensive the upgrade and implementation of Dynamics 365 Business Central is going to be. Every day that goes by, you're adding data into the system. You're creating new vendors, new items, new customers. You maybe even be extending the system or creating new reports. Every extension, every item, every report that you create is going to be an additional waterfall task or data that needs to be migrated over or extension that needs to be created in Business Central. This adds scope to the project, which adds resource structures, which ultimately adds budget. So the longer that you stay on Great Plains, the more expensive your implementation upgrade can be. Lastly, when making the upgrade from Great Plains to Business Central, you're introducing all sorts of new process automation and capabilities. What this does is this can create and make your employees more efficient. Now, they no longer have to spend time on these manual processes like going through and reconciling bank accounts when Copilot can do that automatically for you. It gives your employees more time to focus on more important tasks, makes them more efficient, and increases your ROI. I'm not here to say that Great Plains is a bad product. It's something that's been extremely successful for Microsoft, something that thousands of companies are running their business on. But I'm here to tell you that by continuing to stay on Great Plains, you're missing out on all sorts of new features, new capabilities, new automations within Dynamics 365 Business Central. Think of Great Plains like a flip phone. You're missing out now on the new iPhone, right? You're 10 generations behind. There's so many new added features, so many new added capabilities. It's something that I believe our customers, we're doing a disservice by not making the recommendation for them to upgrade from Great Plains into Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you want to go deeper into any of the new Dynamics 365 Business Central capabilities, whether it's the Microsoft 365 ecosystem integrations, Copilot, Power Platform, added automations around bank reconciliation, please just reach out to us here at Volt Technologies and we'll do anything we can to help. Additionally, if you like this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.